Good morning, I'm Malcolm Lillycrap of Seasons Fencing in Featherston, Ashford, Kent, promoting the DuraPost. We stock all colours. We got the galvanised, the brown, the olive grey, which is the green, and the anthracite grey. We stock all sizes of post. Gravel boards, the gravel boards in all the ranges of colours as well. And we also do panel capping and the U-channels. And we stock all the post caps in all various colours and sizes. We are elite gold stockist in Kent area. DuraPost is going very well. A lot of people are realising now that timber is a product that sort of, doesn't last as long as the DuraPost with the 25-year guarantee that it's got. And so finding it much more efficient, and especially with new housing, that the colours come up much more comparable as well. You can either visit Four Seasons website, or you can come and visit our shop, which is on the A28 Ashford Tenderden Road at Featherston.